Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making ham and cabbage soup. I always have ham for Christmas, and this is the one time of year when I make this. I love this stuff. I use a pressure cooker and diced veggies, and it's really easy to make. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, I've got my pressure cooker ready, and I'm putting in carrots, all chopped up, celery, and now I don't measure, I just put whatever it is I like. Onions, some leftover ham chunks, a little garlic powder since there's plenty of onions in here. Cabbage. And I have some chicken broth. And then I'm just going to add water to this until it gets to the fill line. Good gravy. I almost forgot to add the potatoes. And I'm just going to fill this up with water and put the lid on and the pressure valve, and once it starts to rock, then it's going to cook for 20 minutes. Okay, you can see I've got the water up about as far as it's going to go. And I'm just going to be putting this lid on it. And we'll be back when it starts rocking. Okay, when this raises, this will start rocking. And then once it starts rocking, I'm going to let it cook for 20 minutes. And then we're going to put it in the sink, run cold water over it to cool it down. Okay, all done. Let's get this in the sink and cool down and see how it turned out. Okay, I'm going to run some cold water on the top until this goes down. Okay, it just went down. Tip this to get some of the water out. It's still making noise. Okay, let's get this baby open. Oh my. Doesn't that look good? Okay, I'm going to get a ladle and plate it up. There it is, and entirely too hot to eat right now, but that's my ham and cabbage soup. Hope you'll give this a try. This is by far one of my after Christmas favorites, and if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.